Hi, this is question 4 on ECAA 2016. So here we have Robert, Sheila and Tom, and they must guard the factory for 5 nights, from Monday until Friday. We have some conditions on which nights they can guard, and we are told that Robert is on duty Friday night, and we want to know when Sheila is on duty. Okay, so far we know that Robert is on duty on Friday. We also know that Tom must be on duty for 4 nights, so he only gets 1 night off. And we also know that guards cannot be on duty for more than 2 consecutive nights. So out of all of these 5 days, Tom is working 4 of them, but he can't do more than 2 in a row, which means that the only night that he can take off is Wednesday, otherwise he'd be breaking the 2 consecutive nights rule. So we have these nights being Tom's, and there's only 2 guards on duty each night. So already we can see that Sheila can't be working Friday night because Robert and Tom are working Friday. So we can eliminate a lot of options. Now only remaining options have Sheila working on Monday and Thursday. And then because we're told that Robert and Sheila are both on duty for 3 nights each, and Monday and Thursday are both taken up by Tom and Sheila, then the other 2 nights that Robert works must be Tuesday and Wednesday. But then we see that Tom and Robert are working on Tuesday, so the only night that Sheila can work for her 3rd night is Wednesday. So the answer that we want is C.